you're gonna.
This is fun, huh? I think Zabiba will come.
When you do it with the group.
Okay, so you're doing
So what we did here, we do 1 pound ground lamb and 1 pound ground beef, and this is the green onion.
how many green onions are you doing?
4
You know,
bunches.
there's bunches. I did 4.
4 bunches of
Yeah, for
onions?
you, if you wanna do 2, it's enough.
Take
Oh,
a
I
picture
like
of
green
my hands
onions.
chopping onions. About that. Very kind people. They made me have a lot. My faith in Islam is renewed by being around those kind people.
Yeah, they're nice. So, okay, I didn't see how much you're putting in.
Yeah,
Sorry.
use it like this.
I'm
When
helping them
she's
with
on-
the
when I'm
Rabata
talking, like, my
University.
mind's
They're
somewhere
starting
else.
an
So this
online
one
university
spoon,
for
this
women.
One big
So I'm
spoon?
helping
Okay.
them with the curriculum. I'm
On
just
your family,
volunteering.
sorry.
And
Sorry,
so I've been meeting
This
every
one I
Thursday,
just
and then
bought like
I just
this,
stayed last
dill.
night because we
Yeah.
was at
If
campus.
you have fresh,
And,
it's green one.
I went to the
it's,
worship
Yeah.
part.
You can
It's
find
so
it
nice.
in
They're
the-
reading right now Surah Ikhlas. So they read the whole Surah Ikhlas,
Yeah.
and then they do all the du'as. So they read it in
cinnamon,
English,
okay?
And then, yeah.
and then they read it in Arabic, and then like some of them you have to read 3 times,
How
some
much
of them
onion?
10 times. Like
Onion,
it's
2
really
big
nice.
ones,
It's about an hour and a
choice,
half,
okay.
but
for
it really
those
touched me
okay?
because
You
when I
can do
read
one, I'm gonna add more.
the dua,
So
you know, the duas in
the amount
English,
is very
it's
good.
like
So half
protect me from
okay?
laziness.
So
right?
1 and a
Some of
half?
them say protect
No,
me
one-
from
half
you know
of this.
the,
I
the
do a
evil
little
people
bit, then
and
I add
protect, you know, it's like I was
solids.
like wow, and some of them I was
Okay.
like wow, that's
This one,
powerful.
okay?
Okay.
And then they said, you have to come back and be our English reader. You read it so well. She said, sometimes when we read it, we don't feel like
This
it's a
is
dua
all
in
spice,
English.
it's strong, so you put like this.
Okay.
You put less.
I like allspice.
Okay. Oh,
I'm used to these spices, like for the Arab foods.
Look, Zabiba's expert. She because we make dora what? Yeah, she does.
Yeah.
Lots of onions in Ethiopian cooking.
I like onion.
We use a
Black
lot.
pepper, I like that. Some. Do you have chili powder?
I think so, but can you use that one?
Which one? Okay.
That's
Paprika?
no, what is that red one right there? It's
So this is ground mint. I like this one. So
oh,
I'm gonna
that's
put
so
this
nice.
one.
A lot.
Yeah. I like it.
This is cayenne pepper. Can that work instead of chili pepper?
It's the same, yeah.
Okay.
But
This
it's
is
okay if
healthier
it's a
for
little
you.
bit spicy. Little bit.
I don't like too spicy.
I don't like too spicy either.
Like this.
That, a little bit more, yeah. I don't know. I don't like to fight with my food when I eat it.
I don't think it's gonna affect
No,
all
no.
this amount because it's very small amount. Okay.
I think this onions open up my sinuses.
Yeah? You're in the perfect spot.
I'm supporting her emotionally.
Tomato paste.
Are you putting the whole can?
Yes. For you, you do small one.
Hold
They
up the
sell it
can.
at
Let me take a
Costco or
How many ounces is the
Don't stab
can?
me.
at
I
Costco and
need
Sam.
that.
They have the small one. This is too much because the amount is big. You're gonna see.
So 12 ounce, okay. So you want the whole thing in there?
Let me
Yeah,
see.
for this
Let me
amount.
see the can.
Okay.
Yes. 1 second, just okay. Something inside the can.
Thank you for doing this.
It's fine.
Yeah, welcome.
It's really
we have
nice.
fun together.
My family
yes?
loved the cabbage rolls, yeah.
You don't need the clear fork, right?
Is that
No.
fine enough?
No?
It's okay.
No.
We need it
Can you
maybe,
grab
yes?
a dish towel from down there? The bottom? Yeah. Anyone. That one.
So,
Sorry, I said
we
anyone
need-
and then
You
I
want me
said
to do this one?
Yeah. Anyone. Yeah. And
Oh, you hurt your thumb too.
I'm like, anyone but that one and that one.
Taste, but you know she doesn't have any.
Okay.
So. Because,
So all the way is mashed potato? Yeah?
huh? This is avocado oil.
Yeah.
If you have ghee,
If I run out of
olive
candy, I'm gonna
oil.
get chips.
So it's like was it? So I gonna.
Okay.
Yeah, I
So
gonna.
probably like a quarter or half a cup.
Mm-hmm. والملح السلطة.
I said, take as much as you want. She's like, really?
No, it'll be regular salt. This is the big one. The big one. Like this.
What do you want?
Salt.
This side, I have the salt grinder.
Oh, maybe you have that stuff there.
Yeah.
It will-
Thank you. Thank you. That reminds me when Shamsia said, I will not cut onions, it will make my hands stink.
I think two enough, yeah?
Yeah. Not too salty, I don't know.
Yeah. I love salt, and sometimes I oversalt.
Oh, we do have chili powder.
What is
Don't
that?
kill us.
No, a little bit, yeah.
Just a little.
It's just to taste, you know?
Just taste.
I love some. Okay.
You're
You already
adding
had-
everything, right?
That's it, I think. Is it okay to do it with my hands or no? Let me watch.
Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
Let me
Use your
watch
hands.
because
You
need
put
to.
this back.
Oh, you didn't?
Okay, for 1 pound you do a small one.
I do the small one, but I don't know. I felt it's like I need more now. Even this big, but yeah. Because the rest I gonna use it from outside, you know,
Okay.
to use it. So yeah. Did you see? It's like a little bit red.
Here's
Like
the Holy Land cookies.
you know, I don't think the kids that don't give it to the kids. They don't like it. No, no.
They won't
Don't-
like chips?
No, that one. I mean the cookie. No, no, no. It's okay.
She's talking about the mamul.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to give that to kids.
I thought. Yeah, I said they don't like it.
That I'm going to protect.
I thought you meant that because you're like, there's some cookies.
Yeah, that's
No,
why.
for her.
And you know that is expensive.
It's very.
It's expensive. That's why I said that. You
I was
got it,
surprised he
yes.
bought it. I was like,
Yeah.
"Oh, did you get some for us?" He says, "No, it's just for you guys." I was like, "He goes, you could have some when you're there." I was like,
Uh-huh.
"Okay."
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't give you when I.
What's
later,
wrong?
later. I didn't give you. This what I do last year. I did.
What did
that.
you do?
Yes.
Where's my phone?
This the Welsh this year.
Oh,
chocolate,
yeah.
Did you
but
see my
last
phone
year this
anywhere?
one good
No, I
for
don't do that one.
for the kids. I like this one
Oh,
because
it's
it's
right there.
healthy.
Yeah,
You
it's
know, me,
nice.
I add more. I added more. Okay, so the color I found it's you know.
Okay.
I think you should do. I don't know if it's an
Bring
ad
me
I
that
saw
candy
or
bowl.
if it
I'll
was
put these
just
fruit
like
snacks in it.
someone's video online, but they were giving out cans of soup. Like it was
I
like
don't
cans
like
of
it.
soup, some like
take the phone too?
baked
No, put it over there.
beans.
Let's see. If the kids seem like, I think the kids will love to get chips.
They like all that stuff, yeah. Because everyone gives candy, like so it'd be.
I don't want to miss anything.
I used to hate when they would give us candy corn.
Oh, I love
It's
candy
the worst
corn.
Candy.
Candy corn. Oh, okay.
Enemy.
Well,
You're why they keep making that crap. You know what candy corn is?
yeah, it's all
Yeah, the
corn
one
syrup.
that-
It's really bad
You
for
know
you.
that small one, it's sugar like
It
yellow,
looks like-
white.
I'll show you a
and-
picture.
It looks like corn, except for it's
Yeah.
shaped like with
Yeah.
white, orange,
I wondered
yellow.
who liked that crap and who was making them.
And the pumpkins that are like that.
Oh no.
My mom used to make me cupcakes with the pumpkin on top, and I'd take it to school like for
Okay.
my birthday party at school.
Sometimes I found big ones, so I do it like this because they are big pieces of onion. You're gonna see it.
So is the cabbage enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we have another one. I'm gonna start with this one.
It's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger,
Yeah.
and soon
I
you can
think
feed the whole
it's- yeah.
street.
We're gonna be giving cabbage out to kids. Instead of
Okay.
They'd probably be hungry.
my husband at first, he's like Somali guys. I don't know what it is, but about their culture, they're not used to eating new foods. So he was like, and then I'm like, I played the psychological game. I was like, oh, but Huda sent it for you, and she's gonna ask me if you liked it. And then he loves Huda, of course. And then he was like, oh, Huda sent it. She's gonna ask you. Okay, I will try. He tried one, and then like when I came the next morning, it was gone.
I think it's enough. The spice, yes. We bought
Yeah, I
enough
think
spice.
it's a lot.
It's enough. Yes.
I smell.
Yeah, that's what.
Oh, it smells good.
It's good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
It smells.
Yeah, I smell that.
Down too.
Yeah, but I can cut it out or
I've
whatever.
never bashed men.
It's up to you. If you wanna do it small, do it. This is for me. This is good size.
Okay.
Yeah, my husband was like, yeah, they make things really little in our country. And he showed me like these little, no, in Egypt, he says that they're like little tiny cigars like this.
Yeah, we do it, but for
like,
the food,
for what?
how long it gonna
You don't
take?
taste
I don't-
anything.
Yes.
It's like, I said, all you're
I
going to be
need 10
tasting is
of
the
those.
outside. Yeah. I was like, that won't fill you up.
But see, America, we're
Tabiba,
all.
Do you want
can
the-
you help me? Everybody take a plate and let's do it because it's gonna take a long time. if
That's
I do
okay. We can watch you. Okay.
it. No, me and Zamina. Please.
We
Help,
take the
because-
lazy way.
Yeah.
You can. Let's move that out of the way. Maybe that.
Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can take it
Off to the
So
side.
yeah, you know what, Leah?
Oh,
Leah,
there's the
Leah,
vitamin D pill I lost
Leah,
10 years ago.
Leah, Leah.
Oh, you want it?
Sure.
Yeah.
You take the top part or the
what?
I don't know, this one.
Okay.
You take it from the middle, and you start doing this.
Wait.
That's it.
Let me try. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is like doing grape leaves.
I do sometimes grape leaf, but
Okay.
let me cut maybe the.
It's fine. It's fine. I'll try this one. Maybe this will work. Wait. We can do. What if we use this one and this one?
How much tomato sauce did you use?
I bought 3 spoons.
Did you add any spices in that?
Yes, cinnamon,
ones.
black pepper.
Just like as you want.
yes.
all spice.
Yeah, you know the spice you like. You know, because sometimes if it's come white, one time I did it, it's white. I don't like
Yeah.
it. Okay. Anyone that
Shall we spray this or anything?
No.
Since it's metal?
No.
It's fine.
It shouldn't be like this.
Oh.
I wanna all this cup. You know, it's not cup, but you know, do it like this. Put some of the tomato
Huda,
sauce.
do you need a drink?
No. I will take water later. I don't know. No, it's not. Okay, yalla.
So where do you
Oh, do
guys
we need
get
to turn
this?
the stove on?
Which one for the stove?
The middle one?
This is so good.
You do
Where do you guys
350?
get this?
What temperature you want it on?
400.
400?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's just so we know what's going on. They look good.
Oh, we didn't turn it on. Oh.
I was just. Are there more or is that it?
Oh yeah, there's.
Oh my gosh. It's a lot.
You know what? And it's like salty, yes?
Yeah.
Bismillah.
It's because maybe I like the salt, but it's really good.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you.